Hi, and welcome to my video that shows you how to make a neck beard. Yes, and maybe a moatee along the way. All right, so first step is grow your beard out, right? I've been growing this sucker for about 12 weeks, about the same amount of time that I've been working from home with the whole quarantine situation. So I haven't even trimmed, right? So letting your neck whiskers grow. The tools I will be using, hopefully just one. It's this one. It's Remington HKVAC 2000. It's like a vacuum cleaner and trimmer in one. So yeah, here we go. Let's try this. Wow, this is an amazing look. It's like a little goatee type thing surrounded by neckbeard. It's amazing. Wow. Whew. Goodness gracious. And now I can wear one of those masks, for, containing the viruses or keep the spread from happening. Yeah, right? And then still have my amazing full locks underneath my chin. Oh, yeah. What do you think, huh? Pretty sweet? Yeah? It's incredible. That's very nice. I think I will have to go scare my daughter now with this. My 2.5-year-old daughter. I think she'll freak out if she sees this. You want to touch Daddy's beard? Isn't it fun? Isn't it cool? You're more interested in the TV, I guess. All right, well, let's shave a little more underneath here. Oh yeah, I gotta shave it a little bit too. Gotta make it smooth, Yeah. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, nice. All right. Is that an improvement? What do you think? Yeah, you like? Is it good? All the ladies will be after me. But I'm a married man, so sorry, ladies. Look at the chamber, by the way, full of facial hair, and we've got quite a bit in the sink as well. All right, let's go ahead and trim this up a little bit more. Yeah. Now it's a little more manageable, right? Not as bushy, especially if you wipe it down like that. Get it wet, maybe get some wax. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Not so bad. Hey. How's it going? If a moatee really isn't your thing, and you want to go all Amish or Roman Emperor Nero, for instance, or Founding Father, then get rid of the goatee part of it, right? So here we go. Wow. There it is. Captured. We've captured the wild moatee. Now we gotta make it smooth, right? All right. Now, it's like I'm living in Amish paradise. Woo! Yeah. I think my wife will really dig this. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. So there it is. My first attempt at making a neck beard. Isn't it nice how it frames my face? Now I can actually touch my face. I can wash it better. Yet I can still run my fingers through the flowing locks of whiskers. Yeah, it's like the best of both worlds. Fantastic. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you feel like it, comment, subscribe, whatever. Again, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye. Bye.